Come closer if you know you want your skin glowing and also you want to keep your blood pressure under control. I'm going to be showing you one simple food that I will introduce to you. This particular food is very powerful. And if you love avocado, just stick around with me and I'll be sharing with you one of so many numerous importance of this avocado. Okay, if you love it, stick around, and if you don't love it, you can use the window. Okay, so let's dive on to the topic today. All right, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then share it, and then also turn on your notification button so that anytime I share a video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So let's take one of the most important aspect of avocado. Why should we eat avocado? Okay, so avocado are good source. They are very good source of vitamin E, and they are good for your heart and my heart. Okay, avocado contain healthy fats. Avocados are loaded with monosaccharide fats, the kind of fat that lowers cholesterol, and also it lowers bad cholesterol and then raises the good cholesterol. This helps to keep the walls of your arteries clean and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Another aspect of avocado contains potassium powder. One avocado has 1 potassium, which is even more than banana. Potassium helps to relax your blood vessels and also keep your blood pressure stable. Another aspect again of avocado that probably you've not heard it in this form is avocado is an antioxidant. What does that mean? Antioxidants are compounds like linotin and vitamin A, which helps to protect your heart and keep it from inflammation and also other oxidative damages that come across as a radical. So under this is the third one. We also have avocado helps your blood pressure to be in control, and it helps you to be in full control of your heart. The potassium that is found in avocado helps to balance the sodium level in your body, which is a key for maintaining hypertension. The healthy fat that is found in avocado also helps to improve blood pressures, also helps to improve blood circulation and also reduce strain on the heart. Eating of avocado regularly can help to prevent this silent killer that has either symptoms nor sign. So I'm going to be sharing with you now in this aspect the ways to consume avocado that will be beneficial to you. You can consume avocado as a breakfast. You can smash it on the whole grain, or you can toast it with other vegetables, which can serve as an extra antioxidant. You can also use it as a lunch for a toast. Slice it inside your whatever thing you are taking for your lunch. You can also snack on it, blend it, make it smoothie and mix with other vegetables like spinach, banana, and also add little honey. It is very healthy. You can also use it for your dinner. You can make it in form of cream and spread it on your bread. It's a very good source of vitamin E. Okay, so there are other benefits of avocado that I have not shared. Avocado also supports fertility. I know you don't know that. Because of high level of vitamin E that is found in avocado, eating of avocado regularly can improve your ovulation, in other words, boost your fertility level. So another way you can combine it to achieve this aspect is to combine this avocado with other fruits such as all these nuts such as walnuts, tiger nuts. You can combine it with them if you want to boost your fertility level or you want to boost your ovulation. Avocado is also found in among those group of dieting that is good for all age, whether you're a child, whether you're an adult, whether you are aged, anybody can consume it. So that is one aspect of avocado. You can also consume whether you are 60 or 40. At any age you can consume avocado. It does not select age. So these are the kind of people that avocado is good for. You cannot say, hey, I am not of this age so I cannot consume avocado. Any age can consume avocado. But listen, if there's a disclaimer here, if you have allergy to avocado or you have allergy to high potassium, advisable that before you consume avocado you should see your doctor. So the last thing I'm going to be talking is that this is how you can store it. Avocado has season when it is plenty, and you also have season when it comes out very small. So you can get it when it's on its unripe state and then store it under a very low temperature, or you can keep it inside your fridge or store it anywhere and then prickle a little bit of lemon juice on it. It will help it to maintain its original what will I even call it, original state. So that's all for today's class. If you find this lecture helpful, please like it, share it, and then give it a thumbs up. Thank you for staying tuned. I'll see you in my next video.